Welcome back to Chef State of Mind. I'm Chef D. I'm here with the best tips, tricks, and solutions. I've been going for about 3 months. You know, I've seen a lot of your comments asking me where I've been, where the videos at, stuff like that. And I'm just here to do a I'm back video, basically. But tonight I'm cooking tacos. I'm just talk in the meantime, in between time, let you guys know what I've been up to, things like that. So like I said, I've been going for about 3-4 months, and you know, I got a new apartment. I moved out my old apartment and stuff like that. I got a new job, so I just really been on the come up, trying to focus on my life and not YouTube at the moment. But now I got time to drop some bomb ass videos. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna be trying to post like every week, every 2 weeks, try to keep it consistent, you know, because I understand that a lot of people out there need somebody that could teach them how to cook in a real way. Gordon Ramsay can't teach you how to cook. Mario Batali's daughter can't teach you how to cook like I can, because I'm real, I'm relatable. I'm not gonna speed anything up. I'm not gonna show you something that necessarily might not work, might work. I'm gonna keep it real with you, and I'm gonna keep it real simple and real easy for you to do. So, what am I doing with these tacos? I'm debating on whether I want to give you guys the recipe now or on the video later. But I want you guys, if you guys are still here, I want you guys to post in the comments, what do you want me to cook? Because, you know, sometimes I'm just cooking things that I like to eat. Maybe you have something that you're struggling with at home. Because I know recently I was trying to make sourdough, and I was struggling a lot with that, and I looked on YouTube, and it's kind of hard to come by things, so you got to read on the internet, look at all different kind of recipes, and kind of mix and match them to make the end product that you want. So, I'm not saying I'm a god at sourdough, but your boy is pretty good. You feel me? So, if you have any particular recipe, any particular idea that you want to try, any kind of challenge, just throw it in the comments, and I read all of them. As you can see, go through any of my videos. I reply to all the comments. I read all the comments. Because without you guys, I'd just be talking to a camera, which I'm kind of doing now, but you know, the people who see it, I'm talking to you. So, without wasting too much of your time, I just wanted to catch up and let you guys know I did not forget about you, okay? I know I'm your favorite chef on YouTube. I know you was waiting for some more videos. I got a lot, okay, trust me. Before I left my old apartment, I recorded a whole bunch of videos. I just gotta edit them. And so you might see a couple, maybe 4 or 5 videos of me in my old apartment where I used to live. But after that, trust me, I will be on the grind, and I will be providing more content for you guys. So after this video, expect maybe 4 or 5 videos, older videos, and that's it. So if you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, because YouTube makes us do that now. And I'll catch you guys later.